Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Reddit ads for niche targeting and brand awareness. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Reddit ads website at ads.reddit.com. Log in to your existing Reddit account, or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign management section. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select your campaign goal, such as brand awareness or niche targeting. Define your campaign name for easy identification. Set your budget for the campaign, choosing either daily or lifetime options. Choose your ad placements, deciding if you want automatic placements or manual selections. Next, identify your target audience by selecting specific interests, demographics, or subreddits. Make sure to use the targeting options to narrow down your audience. Create your ad by selecting the ad format that suits your campaign, such as text or image ads. Fill in the required details, including headlines, landing pages, and descriptions for your ad. Preview your ad to ensure it appears as intended. Set the campaign schedule by choosing the start and end dates. Review all your selections carefully to confirm accuracy. Once everything is in place, click on the Submit button to launch your ad campaign. Monitor your campaign's progress through the Analytics dashboard for insights and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.